19th 2022. Time locally it's 6:25. Temperature right now it's 32.5 Celsius. It's actually really feeling even hot here. Take the drive from here to the top of the King's Road. Today is Tuesday. The video probably you're gonna hear the car air condition. I'm sorry, but it's really too hot to open the windows, so I prefer the air condition. Hotels are about 80% full. Not bad, but not the best. I mean, at this time the hotel should be at least 90-95% full usually. Unfortunately, now in the evenings they close the road towards the seafront at the Paphos Harbour, so we go around it. This Zaphni Hotel used to be under major, I don't know, renovation or rebuilding, or under new management, I'm not sure yet. New car parking it's ahead, and the temporary bus stop it's on the right. Car parking here, the bus stop. Looks like the construction works for the bus stop. It takes forever. Baptistry. On the right, you can see now Solomon Catacombs. Yeah, on the right. Shopping mall, Kings Avenue Mall, right in front of us. I will take the left turn to the top of the Kings Road. Bus stop right here. Don't know why they are not going now. You're supposed to be going. There's a Creek Tavern here on the left. King's Aphrodite, Cyprus Traditional Tavern. The King's Hotel, small apartment hotel here on the right. Raffles restaurant, but it's closed down. It's yes, karaoke, Planeta Karaoke, a Tavern Crew on the front of it, McDonald's, some rentals. And here it's Fat Mamas on the left. It's some Kyrgyz Taverna, Martelli on the left, and Duomo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.